Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon. Yeah, swaps and stuff, rims big as monster trucks, wide harnesses, yeah, boy, we stock 'em up. Hit subscribe so you know you stay in the loop. Hit the bell, new videos coming soon.
Swaps and stuff. What up, what's happening, good people? Tino Shop back at it again. What's up, gang, in this thing? Hey, I'm gonna drop down on my cousin, you know what I'm saying? He's in the process of doing his first swap. His donor vehicle is a very, very well put together vehicle that I can't imagine how in the world somebody would not want it. But anyway, we're gonna dive into what he's doing as far as his donor vehicle, and the vehicle is putting in. A lot of people like the square body steps, or square body short bed square body. This here's a 4-wheel drive. He's always got some nice projects over there, man. He's got one of the sickest KZ 1000 you'll ever see. I mean, ever. You know, we get a chance to see it, we will. But definitely we're gonna go drop in on him. Hopefully we're gonna get this motor fired up for him. Of course, it ran in the vehicle. You know what I mean? It's on the stand now, so we're gonna get it jumping on the engine stand, because that's what we do. You know what I'm saying? Definitely gonna get it jumping on the engine stand, because ain't much to do it. Ain't much to making them jump on the engine stand. We'll drop in from time to time with the video. I know y'all don't want to sit and see and listen to me rant and rave. But again, man, thank y'all for checking me out. Thank y'all for subbing. All the new subs, man, thank y'all. Hopefully I'm bringing some content to y'all, some things that y'all like. We just car content, man, and building and turning wrenches, and you know, I'm trying to find my niche, man. Trying to find my niche. Ain't that what they say? You gotta have a niche. I'm trying to find it, you know. Sooner or later, we'll bust that 1K open. Boom, there it is, man. We in here. Global fans. Oh yeah, beat you. This is the donor. You know what I'm saying? They did a dang good job pulling it apart, man. Real good job pulling it apart. But I want to show y'all this. Man. This is what I'm talking about. Look how clean this interior is on this thing, man. Ain't no way I would want to swap it out. But that's what we're doing, man. We're ready to turn some wrenches. Actually, we're going to start this engine in no time flat. We got a fuel tank. We got a battery. We got a computer. Watch us see what happens. There's the man himself right there. Going down, y'all. Either got the welder out. Gonna go ahead and knock off them broken bolts, man, which is a given on almost any 5.3, 6.0, 4.8 LS motor. You're gonna have them, so he's gonna go ahead and knock that out. We're gonna pick it up, put the flywheel starter back on. I've already got the harness set up to where we're ready to just add power. Put the computer back on, of course. Add power and start the motor, man. Hang on. That's the bolt trick. Y'all don't know the bolt trick? Now y'all know. It gets hot, he'll screw it out, and he'll screw it on out. and that'll make it work, man. That'll get that broken bolt out of there. I know some of y'all like to re-drill them and all that, but this right here I've had luck doing unless you was on SSB's car. I couldn't get it to work at all on SSB. Y'all, we wired and ready to fire. Actually, I cheated. We cranked it over with the starter. I don't let it get dark on us, so I ain't gonna be able to show y'all what this is going in. My bad. We've been running around like this, trying to chicken our head cut off, trying to make sure this happens. But here, I'll go ahead and do it for you. Show y'all that it does turn over. So, you know, that's it. Only thing we're waiting on now is probably gonna put some fuel. We're gonna spray a little fuel in it, and then we're gonna let it eat, baby. Y'all, we gotta spray a little bit in there like that right there. We gotta spray it in there a little bit, let it saturate just a minute, and then let it do what it do, y'all. Do what it do. We're not 100% sure whether we got this crossed right. We got, you know, 2, 4, 6, 8, or 2, 4, 6, 8. So we might be wrong there, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out, man. That's enough. That's enough. We just know. He gonna have it over here running. So we give it a try. All right, what you do is it ain't gonna hit unless you take the yellow and the red with what you got. But that one in your hand has to come off. You can't leave that one on there.
The yellow stays on?
The yellow stays on and that other red stays on.
Put them together?
No. There it is, y'all. Fire it up. You know what I mean? It might be out of fuel. I don't know. Try it again. So we diagnosed the problem. It's handling, y'all. Watch it.
Ready?
You got what you wanted?
Sweet.
Yo, appreciate y'all watching. Big shout out to my cousin over there. Letting me come over and lend a hand on that engine. That is an LS swap. It's going to be an LS swap for his wife. His first swap. So it look like it's going to be a fun vehicle to drive. Definitely. Square body. 4-wheel drive, short wheelbase. Who don't like those? Go ahead and drop the 5.3 in it. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and smash that like. Subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend.